Hello guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guy channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to get free chats in Among Us. So, you know the gaming app has this quick chat and doesn't have the free version, but some people do have it, right? So let's open the Among Us together. So if you're new to this channel, please click on the subscribe button. It really helps a lot. So let's wait for the game to actually load up, then proceed. So this I want to show you. If you don't have the free chat on your Among Us game, just know that it's actually two problems. Maybe you did not sign in using your Google, or number two, like you don't have parental access, like your parents access did not give you the permission, parental permission, exactly. Did not give you permission, like did not give you permission to actually, because you are underage. So that's why you won't be able to access the free chat. So it has opened. So all you need to do, when you want to play, you click on online, you click on find game. So once it starts finding the game, then you see where it says filter by the side, and you're going to see chat. So click on chat and you can see mine is showing free chat. So free chat here, once you click on that, you'll be able to use the free chat. But if you're not seeing the free chat, as I said before, it's actually because you have not logged in. So if you're not logged in, you need to log in or create an account on Among Us, or make sure that you are above a certain age, so that you'll be able to access it. If you find this guide helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.